everyone, Akshay Pesra. So today I am a part of this Bridal Hunt 2019. So இது வந்து கண்டக்ட் பண்றவங்க வந்து DA extensions. So இவங்க மெயினா பண்றது வந்து they give extensions for those who have less volume of hair. So இப்போ I have also used these extensions. So இது வந்து ரொம்ப light weight இருக்கு. They have a variety of colors. Thank you so much for including me as a part of this event. Do check out DA extensions. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Pooja here. I'm happy to be a part of this Model Hunt 2019 and I'm so happy that DA Extension is collaborating with this, and I really have very short hair, but now I can have a very good hairdo with this DA Extensions, and they have fabulous colors. They have all the colors and they're really doing a great job. Thank you.
So being a model or any female, they would love to have a long hair. But I was trying for many places and many products, but still I didn't get any. So and then one of my friends suggested the extensions, and that is a place where I found, and trust me, the extensions over there are really, really amazing, and I love the extensions a lot. So my hair is only till the shoulder length, and which is frizzy and wavy. And then I've reached there, they consulted and they gave a beautiful extension which is of so many colors, so many textures, and you would feel it is not like an extension but like your natural hair. And I'm also happy to be a part of this fashion show, and this beautiful outfit is from Zingbi, a multi-designer store, and which is in Nungambakkam. And please do check with the extension salon for your beautiful hair and for your beautiful change. Thank you.
Hi, this is Aishwarya. I'm a model. Recently, I have gone for a short hairstyle, and sometimes I do miss my hair. In modeling field, they will be requiring more lengthy hair. That is when DA extensions help me with the extensions. The extensions are really lightweighted and easy to carry. I'm really happy to be a part of today's event also, which is conducted by DA extensions. Please do visit DA extensions soon. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Swati Naidu, and I'm very happy to tell that என்னோட ஹேர் வந்து ரொம்ப சில்கியாக இருக்கும், அண்ட் என்னால் எந்த ஹேர் ஸ்டைலுமே பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ அந்த DA எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் வந்து இது பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் தான் என்னோடய ஹேர் வந்து பார்க்கவே ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்குது, அண்ட் ஐ கேன் டூ எனி ஹேர் ஸ்டைல், அண்ட் வெயிட் ஆல்சோ அந்த அளவுக்கு இல்லை, ரொம்ப லெஸ்ஸாக இருக்குது, அண்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப எல்லா ஹேர் ஸ்டைலுமே நம்மளால் பண்ண முடியும், அண்ட் என்னால் எல்லா ஹேர் ஸ்டைலுமே இப்போ பண்ண முடியுது. ஸோ ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி அண்ட் no words to tell, and ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது இந்த ஹேர் ஸ்டைல் நான் ட்ரை பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம். ஸோ எல்லாருமே இதை ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள், and thank you so much.
Hi, this is Divya. I usually prefer to color my hair frequently, but I don't want to damage my hair. So I'm using this colored hair extensions from DA Extensions. It's very light and it doesn't damage my hair. So that whenever I want to color my hair, I can go for these extensions without damaging my hair. And I'm really happy to be a part of this Model Hunt 2019. Thank you, DA Extensions. You guys rocks.
Hi, this is Madhu Vijay. Being a woman, எல்லாருக்குமே கொஞ்சம் முடி லாங்காக இருந்தால் ரொம்பவே பிடிக்கும். Since I have a short hair, sometimes I have a regret. So I checked out this place called DA Extensions. Oh my god, I would say that they have a huge collections of extensions அண்ட் கலர்ஸ் எல்லாமே எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்பவே பிடிக்கிற மாதிரியே இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ஃபிஷ் பிளட் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். சின்ன முடியாக இருக்கிறதுனால என்னால் போட்டுக்க முடியாது. ஸோ த DA எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன்ஸ் அவங்கக்கிட்டேருந்து ஐ ஜஸ்ட் லவ் திஸ் பிளாட். ஸோ ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி டு பார்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஈவெண்ட் இன் மாடல் ஹண்ட் வித் DA எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன்ஸ். தேங்க் யூ.
I really like to go with different types of hair colors because I so obsessed with the hair colors. Now DA Extension, they have updated like a really new types of hair colors. I'm really obsessed with this. They have different types of hair colors. I'm really feeling like a good and princess. I'm really like with this.
Hi, this is Dr. Pallavi, and here I am today at Zingbi. It's a multi-designer store, and there's this fabulous event happening where my makeup and hair was done by Pearls Beauty and Hair Academy, and I'm using DA extensions, hair extensions over here. They also specialize in a different variety of colors of extensions and wigs, especially that can be used for something useful like chemo patients. I think it's a really great job, and I'm also wearing a beautiful outfit, an exquisite gown by Zingbi, and I hope you all should check it out. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Archana. So here I am with the Model Hunt, produced by DA Extensions and Zingbi. Zingbi has given us a beautiful gown and our makeup by Pearls, and the extensions which has given us a beautiful hairdo. So thank you the extensions, Zingbi and Pearls.
Hello, this is Mubin Sultana, founder of Instaglam Makeovers. I'm here today at the Zingbi store for the launch of the bridal extensions that Menaka from Dye Extension is launching. And I think it's a very good thing. It's very innovative for all the brides who have very thin hair and have been worrying about how they're going to look on their big day. I think this is the best thing that they've launched, and I think you should go for this because you're going to look like $1 million with these extensions. So go for it, guys.
So hi, this is Indu Kannan here. Actually, we are in a very big event called Model Hunt. So we are in tie-up with Dye Extension and Zingbi. And you can see my dress and outfit. It's very cool and very cute, pretty thing. So thank you for collaborating and thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Saisha Sehgal. I'm one of the participants for Model Hunt organized by Dye Extension in association with Zingbi and Pearl Academy. Thank you Zingbi for making me look so pretty. Thank you Pearl for again, for such wonderful makeup and hair. And on the top, thank you Dye Extension for giving me such wonderful extensions. Being a model and actress, extensions have become an integral part of my life. I cannot imagine my life without extensions. But I must tell you that after using these extensions, I'm not going to switch to any other brand. And I mean it. I mean, when it comes to extensions, I have a lot of extensions with me. What happens, authenticity becomes a real problem. But with you guys, I'm super impressed. I mean, your extensions are authentic, real, and they are so lightweight and full of volume, yaar. So I'm in love with you guys. Thank you.
Hi, this is Turigai Kabildin. Very happy to be there in this event at Zingbi, your multi-designer store with Dye Extensions. And Kandipa Vanga, in the extension box, உங்களுக்கு obviously ஒரு useful-ஆ இருக்கும். As a designer, I'm impressed. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aarti Balaji. I'm a makeup artist. So நாங்கள் Pearls Hair and Beautyல வந்து எனக்கு அசோசியேட் பண்ணி பண்ணுறோம் இந்த ஃபேஷன் ஷோ ஹேர் அண்ட் மேக்கப் Pearls Beauty Academyலேருந்து பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த Dye Extension-உடைய இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து இஸ் a huge success today. It's a big day for them, both for Dye Extension as well as for Pearls Beauty Academy. ரொம்ப க்ரியேட்டிவாக ஹேர் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன்ஸை வச்சு நிறைய க்ரியேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து ஹேர் கம்மியாக இருக்குது நிறைய ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ உங்கள் ஹேரை வந்து மேட்ச் பண்ணி எப்படிலாம் ஹேர் ஸ்டைல் பண்ணலாம். அண்ட் நிறைய பேர் வந்து இன்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக கலர்ஃபுல் ஹேர்ஸ் வேணும், ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு மட்டும் வேணும் அப்படின்னு தேவைப்படும். ஸோ அந்த டைமில் யூ கேன் யூஸ் தீஸ் Dye Extensions. ஸோ அந்த Dye Extensionஸோட எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் ஹேர் வச்சு தான் இன்றைக்கி எல்லா ஹேர் ஸ்டைலுமே இந்த ஃபேஷன் ஷோவில் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ வாட்ச் த ramp show and you can see the colorful hairs on the models.
Hi, I'm Vipikashi. I'm an anchor and a fashion stylist by profession. So today I'm here at the Zingbi Multi-Designer Store, which is located in Gopalapuram, Chennai. And today I'm here to witness one of the best shows Chennai is going to be seeing today, which is a collaboration of two big brands, and out of which one is Dye Extensions. And these people are well known for their extensively wide variety of hair extensions that they make. And Zingbi, as you all must be knowing, is it's a very big brand that has a lot of bridal outfits under them. So these two big brands are going to be collaborating and working on this event today, and it's going to be a bridal hunt. We have all our amazing models who are dressed up in different wonderful outfits. So you're going to be witnessing the show in some time. I'm looking forward to the evening. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Sridevi Ramesh here in Dye Extension Fashion Show. Today I was a jury for the event when beautiful costume of Zingbi was displayed. Around 12 models, they had ramp walked and we were the jury, and it was a tough decision. And we selected the brand ambassador today. And we are really happy here to be in the part of this Dye Extension. What is Dye Extension? It is a ready-made extension which you can use for bridal or common party wear. They have today opened a Dye Extension box. They launched a new looks. So I'm really excited to try all the Dye Extensions and hope everyone use it. And thank you Menaka for inviting, and I had a wonderful time. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sumaya. I came for this Dye Extension launch with my friend Mubin, who is a renowned makeup artist, Instaglam. and the very idea of dye extension like you started for cancer patient, that itself is like amazing. And I think like people really this works out nowadays. Like age is not at all a factor. Youngsters and middle age and older women, all of them, hair makes lots of difference in their appearance, gives you more confidence. And every time we ruin our hair by perming, straightening and all that. So I think this is a wonderful, great idea to use dye extensions. And it was a great show, lovely, eminent personalities. I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Muthulakshmi Ravichandran. இன்னைக்கு டா எக்ஸ்டென்ஷனோட பிரைடல் பாக்ஸ் லான்ச் ரொம்ப வண்டர்ஃபுல்லாக ஜிங்பி கோஆப்ரேஷனோட ரொம்ப அழகாக நடந்தது. ஸோ இதில் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பார்ட் நான் ஹேர் ஸ்டைல் அண்ட் மேக்கப் அவங்களுக்காக பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கேன் 12 மாடலுக்கு. ஐம் வெரி ஹாப்பி டு த பார்ட் ஆஃப் டா எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன்ஸ். அந்த பிரைடல் பாக்ஸில் என்ன இருக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 10 பீசஸ் ஆஃப் ஹேர் பீசஸ் அதை வச்சு இன்றைக்கி ஹேர் ஸ்டைல்ஸ் க்ரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இட்ஸ் வண்டர்ஃபுல், ஈஸி ஃபார் ஆல் த பியூட்டிஷியன்ஸ். அந்த ஒரு பிரைடல் பாக்ஸ் இருந்தால் நம்ம கலர்ஸ், அந்த பஃப், பூஃப், எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன்ஸு, அவங்களோட என்ன ட்ரெஸ்ஸுக்கு எந்த மாதிரி ஹேர் கலர்ஸ், அவங்களோட ஸ்கின் டோனுக்கு எப்படி பிளெண்ட் பண்ணலாம், இது மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயங்கள் அந்த பிரைடல் பாக்ஸில் இருக்குது. ஐம் வெரி ஹாப்பி டு ஒர்க் வித் தட். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.
Hi, this is Satya Priyamanian. I'm a positive coach and I'm a spiritual energy healer and even conceptualist. I'm so happy today to support Mrs. Menaka Ramkumar, my very good friend. And today is the, it's a grand launch of bridal box of Menaka's dye extension. And they also had the model hunt for the brand ambassador for the dye extension. It's a very good event. It was very grand, and it has been sponsored by Zingbi, and the outfits were outstanding, and the models were so gorgeous. And it's a very good concept because she is the first person who introduced the hair extension concept, because it all started for the cancer patient, but now it has been gone for the bridal and for any occasion. Can use this extension thing and keep rocking Menaka, and we are expecting so many new initiatives and many new events from you. Thank you so much. All the best.
Ramesh Babu. I'm happy to be part of the launch of Bridal Box by Dye Extension with the association of Zingbi. It's been a great show for selecting the brand ambassador for Dye Extension, and I wish all the very best for Zingbi and Dye Extension for a great success.